Hello kids, welcome to the class. Hope you all are fine and the weather is not good. Take care. Stay at home only. Okay kids? So let's start our topic. So we were discussing about the topic adverbs. Yes or no? So what do you mean by adverbs? Yes, the describing word for your verbs are called as your adverbs. That means it gives extra information about our action word, that is verb. Yes or no? Verbs are action words. You remember that? Yes. So the words which explain about the action words are called as your adverbs. Okay. For example, if I say that I am running fastly. So how I am running? I am running fastly. Yes or no? So the word running is your verb in this sentence and fastly is the word which is explaining about the action word. That means I am running fastly. Yes or no? And almost all most of your adverbs ends with ly. Yes or no? That one I told you. And we went through some of the examples also. Yes or no? Yes. So now let's go for the next one. What is that? What are the different types of your adverbs according to the how, when and what your where the particular action is carried out. Okay. So as I told you that, so the adverbs are what your, these are of three types according to the way they are performed. Okay. So for example, the first one, see that how the action is done. Okay. So we are talking about the action words. That means what? Cooking, writing, eating. These are all the verbs. We are talking about that one, right? So how the action is done. That means what? How the particular action is carried out. That is called as your verb. Okay. The answer to the how words. Okay. The answer to the how the particular action is done are called as your how adverbs or how words, right? So see here how the action is done. How does Rani walk? Okay. How does Rani walk? Walk is the verb. So how, the answer to how will be your what? Adverb. Okay. So Rani walks slowly. So Rani walk, this is the verb and this is your adverb. Clear? The answer to how particular action is carried out, that is called as your what? How adverb, or we can say that the answer to how words are also called as your adverb. For example, how does Rani walk means Rani walks slowly. How does Rani walk? Rani walks slowly. If I say that I am eating fast. Okay, how I am eating? I am eating fast. Okay, the word which describes about our action word and the answer to how that particular action is carried out. That means the answer to how of action words are called as a what? Adverbs. Okay, this is the first type where the adverb explains about the how of the action word. Okay, how the action is carried out. Moving to the next one. These are also called as your manner adverbs. Okay kids, this is also called as your what? Manner adverbs. Okay, clear? So the answer to how a particular action word is carried out is called as your manner adverb. Okay? Yes, moving to the next one, you can see here when the action is done. Okay? So the word which describes about the action word is called as your adverb. How the action is carried out, that is called as manner adverb. And when the particular action is carried out. For example, so see the example here. When will he come? Come is the verb. When will he come? He will come tomorrow. So here come is what your verb. So when the action word is going to occur? So tomorrow. So when? Tomorrow. This is your adverb. Okay. The answer to when the particular action word is to be done, that is called as your what? Time adverb. We can say when the action. So this is called as your time adverb. Okay. So this is called as time adverb. Okay kids. Now moving to the third one. Where the action is done. Okay. How the action is done. When the action is done. Where the action verb is done. Okay. So here what? Where the action is done. Where is she playing? The answer to where also called as your what? Adverbs. Okay. So where is she playing? She is playing here. Okay. Here, there, particular places, all are coming under your what? The answers of where. Yes or no? Yes. So, here the word here. Playing is the action word verb and this is your what? Adverb. Yes or no? So, now, where, the answer to where is called as your what? These are called as your place adverbs. Okay kids? So what? So according to the type of action word or when, how and where the particular action word is done. So adverbs are of three types. The first one is how the action is done, that are called as manner adverb. Second one, when the action word is done, that are called as time adverbs. Okay. And the adverbs which are explaining the place, that means where the particular action is done, is called as your what? Place adverbs. Hope this one is clear. Next we will move to the same with some more examples. Okay kids? So kids, you can see here the list of manner adverbs, time adverbs and the place adverbs. Okay. So as I said you what the manner adverbs are what? The answer to the how words. That means what? How the particular action is carried out. Okay. And what are the time adverbs? When the particular action is carried out is called as your what? When the time adverbs. Okay. And the last one is what here about the place adverbs. That means it gives the information about your what, where the particular action is carried out. Okay. So let's go for some of the examples. Okay. So manner adverbs. So we can say that quickly. If I say that she is eating quickly. Okay. So how she is eating? She is eating quickly. Okay. So the answer to how. Okay. Slowly. Ram is walking slowly. Okay. So how Ram is walking? Ram is walking slowly. The answer to the word how is called as your what? Manner adverbs. Similarly, brightly. The sun shines brightly. How the sun shines? The sun shines brightly. Okay. The answer to the how is called as your manner adverbs. Okay. Next, happily. She is singing happily. So, how she is singing? She is singing happily. Okay. Now, gently. Okay. She touched the feather gently. Okay. How she touched the feather? She touched the feather gently. Okay. The answer to the word how, the question word how are called as your manner adverbs. Okay. So now can you find out the manner adverbs in a sentence? If it is the question is given like that, to find out manner adverb in the sentence, can you find out? Yes. If the particular word is the answer to how the particular action is carried out, then you can say that yes, this is your manner adverb. Okay kids? Hope this is clear. Quickly, slowly, brightly, happily, gently. Okay. So these are the some of the words. Okay. Now moving to the next one, as I said you, the word which gives information about the time of particular action carried out. That means when the particular action is carried out is called as your what? Time adverbs. So these are easy to remember, right? How, manner adverbs, when, time adverbs, where, place adverbs. Yes or no? So now let's see what are the different time adverbs. So when I am saying that late, she is late. Okay. So and she is coming late. Okay. Then when she is coming late. Okay. So it gives the information about what your time of the particular action when it is going to carried out, right? Moving to the next one, early. I get up early in the morning. So when I get up early in the morning. So it gives the information about what? When the particular action is carried out. Similarly, tomorrow, we saw the example, right? He will come tomorrow. When he will come? So the answer to the word when. Okay? The answer to the word when. Okay? When the action is carried out. When he will come? He will come tomorrow. Similarly, when he came yesterday. Okay, when the particular action was carried out also comes under your what? Time adverbs. Okay. Now, so I will do the homework now. When you will do the homework? I will do the homework now. So the answer to the word when again comes here now. Okay, ago. Okay, ago also, it is also called as your time adverbs. Hope this one is clear. So what are your time adverbs? Late, early, tomorrow, yesterday, now, ago, before. Okay, these all are also called as your time adverbs. So can you find out which one is the time adverb in the sentence? Yes. You have to find out the answer to when the particular action is carried out in the sentence. Then you can find out which one is your time adverb. Okay, moving to the last one, see here. The answer to the question word where the action is carried out is called as your place adverb. So where, here, there, everywhere, nowhere, these all are called as your place adverb. Let's see what are the words which are coming under this one. Okay, so see here. Ram is playing here. Where is Ram playing? Ram is playing here. So the answer to the question word where. Okay, where he is playing? He is playing here. Okay, so here is what your place adverb. Next is what there. Where is the ball? There is the ball. Okay, where is the ball? There is the ball. Now out. Okay, again this is out in. These all are also called as your what? Place adverbs. Yes or no? Yes, everywhere. Okay, God is everywhere. So when we are saying that, so the word everywhere. Where is God? The answer to where. Where is God? God is everywhere. Okay. So then we can say that everywhere is also coming under your place adverb. Similarly, nowhere also one example of place adverb. Okay. Next is what? Above, below. Okay. These all are also what? Giving the answer to the word where in the particular sentence. That's why these all are coming under your what? Place adverb. Can you find out manner adverbs, time adverbs and place adverbs in a particular sentence if it is given? Okay, so let's go for exercise in the next video. It will be more clearer to you. Okay kids, till that, bye.